ground is fertile.
President. My name is Dr. Lina Zedriga.
I want to welcome you. Together with all the people of Northern Uganda that love you so much. That have promised to give you name. Today is not a day for that. We are here. The crowd, your people, your brothers, your sisters, just want to hear your voice. I will not stand between you and them. Therefore, Your Excellency Ovini, Your Excellency Ogen, Lapierre, Your Excellency Lateral Road, I want to say, please speak. Quench the thirst of the people of Dokolo.
Women can do to a country because women are mothers. They love and they don't look after themselves, but the children that are coming after them. That is why when we were welcomed by the LC chairperson, who is at least I saw the chairperson was a woman, and Lina Zedriga is a woman, and now we have a special woman from this place. I felt it was a special something. We are with us with MPs that came to join the incoming MP today here. We have Honorable David Serukenya with us. We have the Honorable Katabazi Francis with us here. We have my brother, the Honorable Zanja Patrick, with us here. And in a special way, we also have the Deputy Chairperson of the Public Accounts Committee, an Honorable Member of Parliament, Goreti Namoga, with us here. Now, I will be very brief because today, much as you welcomed me, I am not the guest of honor. The guest of honor is Honorable Ageno Harriet. But I will say this. The people of Dokolo, for a very long time you have been lied to. Museveni does not allow me to reach the people because he fears that I will tell them the truth. He has bought everybody a bit, but he has failed to buy me. He has silenced everybody, but he has failed to silence me. And that is why I am asking you to also send somebody who we believe will not be silenced by Museveni. For a long time, Northern Uganda has brought very brilliant leaders to parliament, but unfortunately Museveni buys them. When I was a young boy, I used to love Norbert Mao, and some of us came to because we admired people like Norbert Mao. But many of you saw what happened. We as a generation, especially you, the young people of Dokolo, you have a duty to show Uganda that not everybody from this place can be bought off. When I came up, I told you that I cannot do this alone. That is why we requested the people, especially young people from all over Uganda, for every region, all of you, you can become Bobby Wine in your area. We can get different Bobby Wines from men and from women, young or old. We can find different Bobby Wine from different religions. We can find different Bobby Wine from different tribes. All of you, especially the elder people here, you know that when the colonialists came here, they succeeded in ruling over us by dividing us along tribal lines. Even Museveni is working like a colonialist because he divides us along tribal lines. He has made sure that he makes tribe a factor among us not to work together. Now, I want to tell you, especially you, the young people, that our problems do not differentiate what tribe you come from or what religion you're coming from. These things I'm telling you, I am not coming up with them right now. If you want to prove that what I'm saying is true, look at the roads here in Dokolo and all of northern Uganda. Look at the hospitals here in northern Uganda. Look at the schools here in northern Uganda. Look at how many people have gone to university in northern Uganda. And even those that go to university, how many of them have gotten jobs? Look at the military, look at the police, look at all the ministries, and tell me how many people from here are serving in high-ranking positions. Look at how much of your land is being given away by the to the Balalos. These are Museveni's people. He only does that because he silences your leaders. I have told you he has bought everybody, but he has bought most people, but he cannot buy everybody. He has killed so many leaders, particularly here in northern Uganda, but he cannot kill everybody. He has put so many people in prison, but he cannot imprison everybody. The only weapon that we have is this microphone and our mouths and our bodies and the truth. That I have this opportunity today, I want to tell you that this is not just a parliamentary campaigning for Ageno Harriet. This is a revolution. I just want to open your eyes, young people of Dokolo and northern Uganda. We have to get the second year. to change the future of these young boys and girls that are looking at